should have brought that new knife up in.
If you'd brought it, I'd have sure enough butchered them up. That's gonna be short.
The new one?
Yeah.
Right.
Got right to a bone right there.
Is that what I mean?
Yeah.
Tell you what, that's all that will do is stick out, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. They're just a little bit slick. So we cut a bait up this morning. We got all that brim slime all over our hands. Left it on there so when we baited the jugs out, they couldn't smell any human scent on the bait.
Can't get through it.
I tried to get Dan to tell them that we were fishing with root beer gummy worms, but he wouldn't.
Somebody asked if
He just told him
man
chicken.
What was we fishing with? Who was it that asked that?
The last guy that came up there with his wife. In the golf cart.
Mark? One with me?
No, the one on the golf cart with his wife.
One with his wife.
Yeah. Just before we left.
Who was it? His wife. I didn't see him.
Oh,
That's right, Dan already left. What was his name?
yeah. Oh, I've seen him around over there with Bob. I don't know. It's not the Mike that lives over there. I don't know.